In this video, we're going to learn a little bit more about place value. So if you have a problem that says, what is another way to make 43? So let's take a look first at this, okay? So we could see that for the place values, this is the tens because we have blocks of tens here, and this is the ones. We have, if you skip count, 10, 20, 30, 40. We have 40 of the tens and 3 of the ones, and we know that equals to 43, which is what we have here. But the question is asking, what's another way to make 43? So if we borrow a whole stack of tens from here and move them over to here into the ones column, that would be a different way of making 43, and it would look like this. So the tens column that we borrowed from here is here now on the one side, and I've made them blue, and I made them all singular, so not stacked together, so that they look separate. So we have 10 ones plus 3 ones here, so there's 13 here on the one side. And on the 10 side, now we have 10, 20, 30. So 30. 30 plus 13 equals 43. So this is another way to make 43 using place value blocks and by using the concept of borrowing. So we borrowed the tens from this side and moved them over to the one side. So practice makes improvement, and if you don't get this right away, don't worry, just look at the video again.